morning. I have to go get some groceries. Let's just refresh my fridge really quickly. It's not too bad. Just want to give it like a little organization and wipe it down a little bit. Leftover. I have broken like so many things in this fridge. Not from cleaning it. I've broken like 2 of the glass things, 1 of the drawers. Always the 7,000 sauces that my husband has to save. Can you stop walking through my thing?
I got it so wait.
That long ago, so it shouldn't be bad. Oh, is there one?
Please.
Hold on.
Mommy.
I put the condiments. That was heavy. Need to. It's literally.
Shirts are hanging up.
Cheese and meat drawer is a wreck.
You didn't have it. Pop your shorts and flip them around to the tag on your.
As you can see, my fridge is really empty. So let's go get some groceries.